All right, we're at the part B of the projectile motion experiment. That's determination of the initial velocity of a projectile from range fall measurements. Now, you may be able to see uh, the value on the screen. Let me just um, reset the all the parameters. I think they're already reset. Let's. This is something you can certainly play with. You'll probably learn uh, a few things if you play with it. Let's go from top to bottom of the options that we have available to us. Number one, we want to use a cannonball. We don't want to use a pumpkin. But let me just show you. Let's uh, it defaults to pumpkin. If I hit the reset over here, it defaults to pumpkin. But notice if I fire the pumpkin splatters. Now let's pick something else. Let's pick a baseball, and yeah, you can't even see that one. Let's pick a piano, something silly, and fire. It's the same trajectory. So we're gonna pick a cannonball and fire it, and and uh, let me see if maybe you just couldn't see the baseball. Okay, yeah, it's there. It just was retracing. Probably the same with a golf ball. Uh, golf ball. Uh, yeah, you can see the trajectory, and you can see that they're all alike. That's why we couldn't see the golf ball or the baseball. But let's reset it, and let's go with a cannonball, and let's fire uh, fire the cannon, and let's measure. Uh, Now where is the? I wish they showed where the. Uh, Actually, let me lower this so that I can get that hairline right there and measure. And I measure. Let's move this up. Move this down. Okay, the range is 21.44 meters. 21.44 meters. And if I put it back at 10 meters, you'll see. Let's see, put it at 10 meters, and fire it again. It retraces the exact same uh, to the exact same spot. So we're just going to go with the 21.44 meters. There's no reason to do 5 trials and average them. They're all going to come out the same. So that's um, now your job is to um, compute um, the initial velocity. And then there's a section there, the percent difference between results of parts A and B. Parts A used a completely different velocity. Uh, this is assume this experiment is assuming that you're using the same little cannon mechanism uh, for the for the ballistic pendulum as for uh, this range from range fall measurement. We don't have that luxury, so you can ignore the percent difference um, between A and B, or if you want to do it, I mean, you'll come up with a big uh, difference. And there's just let me show you one other thing. If you want to play with this, there's a nice little a little analysis uh, at time 0.1 seconds. The range is 1.5 meters. The height is 9.95. At zero point 0.2 seconds, 3 meters, and 9.8 meters of height. And you can just go down the line. You're not required to do this, but it might be a fun thing for you to do. At 1 second, it's 15-meter range and 5.1 meter height. Okay, I think that's all that you need. The range is 21.44 meters. Okay, let's uh, end this here, and then we'll do part C next. Um,